Hey everyone, I'm Chef Brandon Frohne and welcome to 30-Minute Meals. I'm here to help you master some simple, everyday grilling recipes. Listen, I get it. Sometimes it can be hard to squeeze in dinner after a long day, but it doesn't have to be. All you need is 30 minutes and some simple tools and ingredients from Kingsford, Masterbuilt, and Walmart. Today we're grilling some honey ginger pork chops with some caramelized peaches, green beans, and basil. I've loaded in my Kingsford charcoal with applewood. I'm setting the temp to 450 and it'll be ready in about 10 minutes. We're gonna prepare the sauce by mixing it in the food processor. Now we're gonna heat it on the grill for 5 minutes, making sure we stir so it doesn't burn. Now we're gonna prep our peaches and green beans and then season our pork chops. So now we're gonna add our pork chops to the grill and grill 5 to 7 minutes on each side until an internal temperature of 145 degrees. When we go to flip the pork chops, then we'll add the green beans and the peaches, only because those cook a lot faster. Now that the pork chops are almost done, I'm gonna go ahead and glaze it. Here's a pro tip, always glaze at the end of the cooking process so that the sugars in the sauce don't caramelize to the grill grates and leave a bitter taste on your food. Now that our pork chops are off the grill, we're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes. That's gonna help retain its moisture and it's gonna be more flavorful and juicy. And then we'll plate it up. Let's give it a taste. The smoke flavor really shines through on those pork chops from the Kingsford with applewood. You can find this recipe and other simple 30-minute meals you can master at home right here. Shop Walmart for your Gravity Series 800 and your Kingsford charcoal. See you next time.